Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing Princess Tiana makeup look, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. And yeah, so let's get right into the video. Brows first. Actually no, I'm gonna start with it's sunscreen lotion. Okay guys, so I have this. And of course, just a okay, you guys, so y'all know that I use Anastasia in the color dark brown. I think they might have a lighter shade, which is I should get, but yeah, I use this, the dip brow. And okay, so I have the dip brow, and we're just gonna go in like this. And you see how I'm like lightly going up? That's what you guys have to do, is lightly push it up, push your brows up, as well as like lining the brows, if you know what I mean. I'm sorry if I'm not looking at the camera, guys. I'm sorry. What else? You know, concealer. We have to use concealer. To use a second one because this one's not really coming out, so this one has a little bit more on top. So yeah guys, so basically I explained it before that you kind of have to line it up from your brows. I have curly brows, so it's kind of sometimes hard to like get that look, that straight look. But yeah, and then you just drag it down. Like this, y'all. Hey guys, so right now I'm gonna do the two foundations. Honestly, I was just gonna do like the concealer and foundation in one, like the, let me show you guys, like this, but I kind of wanted to perfect this look. So I'm just gonna do like an actual full makeup. Oh my god, just a little bit. And this. Ooh. Don't worry guys, I'll blend it in. Go in with Clinique with Trust up here. So I have this HUE palette, the Color Workshop, and I think I'm gonna go in with those two shades of green. And I'm gonna go in like of the corner of the eye and blend it. Oh guys, yo, that's so cute. Ah, this is so cute. Like, it's giving very much creativity. It's giving. Yeah, it's giving, guys. I'm gonna go in with mascara. I don't wear what is it called, eyelashes. I think I did only one time, but that's because like I had someone help me put it on. So yeah, I don't really wear eyelashes. I have some, but like I don't know, I just don't know if it's gonna last. So I'm done with this makeup look. I think I'm gonna go inside and take this makeup off my hair, and then I'll probably show you guys. I'll just do the outro. So yeah, but other than that though, it's cute. Don't mind the hair though. I tried to do like a natural beat, but yeah, is it giving princess? Like, is it giving Princess Tiana? I think it is. Period. Period. Or period. So basically, as you can see, I'm finished with my makeup, and yeah, I didn't use setting spray because I don't have any, but I think that it's giving Princess Tiana. and I really tried. Honestly, this would have been really curled, but it took me like what, an hour to comb this out because I left my hair up in a bun, and now my hair is like, it's not giving like the curl effect, but that's okay. But yeah, I like my makeup look. My eyeshadow looks really nice, and yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell, and share my videos, and yeah, just comment on my videos, and yeah, support me. I really appreciate it so much, guys. I haven't ate anything, so literally I woke up at like what, 8 a.m. took a shower, then I went ahead and did my hair, and that took like what, an hour or two, really 2 hours, because I had to comb out like the ponytail, and then I had to like redo my actual natural hair, which is like this that you see on top. So yeah, guys, I really appreciate it if you guys keep telling people about my channel and subscribe. And on a road to 1,000, I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers by this year or next year. Really trying to by the end of this year, really. But yeah, guys, I really appreciate it so much. And yeah, I feel like Princess Tiana. Is it giving like? Guys, I'm feeling so beautiful right now. I'm feeling so beautiful, period. I feel so beautiful right now. Like, I did a good job. Like, I did not think that that eyeshadow that I use would like blend in, and I think what really helped is that I did like the nude eyeshadow first to make like my what is it, like my eyeshadow base look natural. But yeah, I feel like it worked out pretty good, and yeah. Bye.